Welcome to Exam Educators. Today we'll be looking at Vedic Mathematics. We'll be looking at various mathematics shortcuts and tricks that can make solving mathematics problem faster. So right away, we'll be looking at the base method of multiplication. Assuming you are given the number 9 and 7 to multiply them together, and let's assume that you've forgotten that the answer is 63. There is a short method that can be used actually to get the answer. So all you need to do is to look for the closest base to 9 and 7. The closest base is 10. So you have base 10. 10 is the closest base to 9 and 7. So you write down your numbers 9 and you write down 7. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. 10 minus 9 is 1, and 10 minus 7 is 3. So at the end of the day, now 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. In the same way, 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. So the 6 will be written at the left hand side. Now, here you're going to multiply 3 times 1. 3 times 1, which is 3. So 9 times 7 is equals to 63. So I'm going to go over it again. When you're given a single digit number to multiply, to find the product of two single digit numbers, all you need to look for the closest base. The closest base is 10. So the first thing you do, you write down the two numbers, 9, which in this case is 9 and 7. So 10 minus 9 is what? 1. 10 minus 7 is what? 3. Now 9 minus 3 is 6. And at the same time, 7 minus 1 is 6. Then 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So the answer is 63. So we're going to look at another example. Let's assume you were given 98. To find the product of 98 and 96. If you were asked to multiply 98 and 96, so we're going to use the same method, but now the closest base to 98 and 96 is no longer 10 but 100. So the base we're using right now is 100. We're making use of base 100. So write down your numbers. You have 98 and 96. Okay. So next is going to be 100 minus 98. What do you have? 100 minus 98 is 2. And 100 minus 96 is 4. Now in base 100, how many zeros do we have? We have 2. So you're going to create 2 digits on this side by adding a 0. So add a 0 as well here. Since there are 2 zeros attached to the 100, the answer on your right hand side is going to involve 2 digits. So that's why you're adding a 0 to 2 and another 0 to 4. Okay. So 4 times 2 is what? 4 times 2 is 8. 8 is just a single digit number, but you're going to add 0. Because in base 100, we have 2 digits. So now, the next step is you have 96 minus 2, which gives you 94. Or 98 minus 4, which also gives you 94. So 98 times 96 is equals to 9408. That is 9408. If you make use of a calculator, this is the answer you get when you multiply 98 by 96. So let me quickly go over it again. You are given two-digit number, 98 and 96, to multiply together. Okay, so 98, I said the first thing you do is that you look for the closest base. In this case, the base is going to be base 100. Okay, base 100 has 2 zeros. Okay, now the next step, you subtract both numbers from 100. 100 minus 98 is what? 2. 100 minus 96 is what? 4. 100 minus 96 is 4. While 100 minus 98 is 2. So I said because 100 has 2 zeros, you're going to create 2 digits on your right hand side. So since 2 is just a single digit, you add a 0 in front of the 2. You also add a 0 in front of the 4. Now you multiply the 4 and the 2 together. 4 times 2 is 8. You attach a 0 to maintain the two digits that you have in 100. Okay, the 2 zeros. Okay. Next step, you either use this to subtract this or this to subtract this. Both of them are going to give you the same answer. So you have 96 minus 2, which is 94, or 98 minus 4, which is 94. You combine both numbers together. So your answer is 9408. We're going to look at another example right away. Let's look at 97 times 86. So our base is still base 100. Our base is still base 100. So we write down our numbers before. We have 97, we have 86. So 100 minus 97 is what? It's 3. But since 100 has 2 zeros, we're going to create 2 digits here. So we add a 0 to the 3. Now 100 minus 86 is 14. We can't add any 0 here because 14 is already a 2-digit number. So the next step, we multiply 3 times 14. 3 times 14 is 42. So we write down 42. Okay. Now the next step is that either we use 97 to subtract 14 or 86 to subtract 3. It is faster for us to use 86 to subtract 3. So we make use 86 minus 3. 86 minus 3 is going to give us 83. So at the end of the day, our answer is 8,342. You can actually confirm this with your calculator. But remember, when we're subtracting, we made use of 86 minus 3 because it's faster. The aim of using this method is to make our calculation, arrive at our answer as quick as possible. That was why we made use of 86 minus 3. We could as well use 97 minus 14 and we will still arrive at 83 at the end of the day. So we are now going to apply the method to 3-digit number. So we're going to apply the base method of multiplication to 3-digit number. Let's use 996 times 998. The closest base in this instance, in this case, is going to be 1000. So we're going to make use of base 1000. Okay, so now we write down both numbers 996 and 998. Now we're going to subtract both of them from 1000. 1000 minus 996 is 4. But yeah, remember that we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we're going to have 3 digits here, and we have just 1. So we're going to add 2 zeros here to the 4 to create 3 digits, so as to keep things uniform. Now, next, we're going to subtract 998 from 1000. 1000 minus 998 is 2. To keep things uniform as well, we add 2 zeros here. So the next step is we're going to multiply 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is what? 2 times 4 is 8. To balance things up, we add a 0 just to create 3 digits. Okay. Next, we either use this to subtract 998 to subtract 4, or we use 996 to subtract 2. 996 minus 2 is 994. At the same time, 998 minus 4 is also 994. So finally, our answer is 994,008. So 996 times 998 is equals to 994,008. We're going to look at another example. We're going to multiply 999 times 768. Okay. Both of them are 3-digit number. So our base is going to still be base 1000. So the first step, we're going to subtract 999 from 1000 and 768 from 1000. So we write both numbers down. We have 999 and 768. 1000 minus 999 is 1. We have 3 zeros, so we're going to add 2 zeros to create 3 digits here. 768, 1000 minus 768 is going to be, we have 2, 3, 2. 1000 minus 768 is 232. So the next step, we're going to multiply these two numbers together. 232 times 1. 232 times 1 is 232. Okay. Now, next step is either we use 999 and subtract 232, or 768 and subtract 1. Both of them is going to give us the same answer. But the one that will be faster is if we use 768 to subtract 1. This will be faster. So 768 minus 1 is 767. So our answer here is 767,232. So 999 times 768 gives us 767,232. You can actually confirm this answer with your calculator. So this method can actually be extended to 4, 5, 6 digit number. The only thing you have to make sure is that you use the appropriate base depending on the number you're multiplying. You just have to use the appropriate base when multiplying. So, and with constant practice, you can become very versatile and used to the method.